Hello friends, my name is Naeem, and in this video I'll show you how you can make this 6-step infographic process which you have just seen it before I start. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, and let's start our today's tutorial. As you can see, I have already opened a new PowerPoint page, and let's change the background. I'm selecting black color here, and let's close it and select this oval shape and holding the shift key and place it in the middle. And let's remove the outline, select no outline, making another duplicate copy. Let's change the color to black, place it right in the middle. Let's change the color to yellow and remove the outline. Let's select this circle, hollow circle, and using this orange bubble and reducing the width of it and trying to place it in the middle. Let's make it smaller width, and I'm going to fill gradient fill here. Let's change to radial, and I'll change color here, and I'll select this color. And let's also make this round circle as gradient, and we'll use this same color which we have already filled. And let's also change the color, and I'll also select gradient here. As you can see, I have already color here, but I will make it slightly lighter so I can get a different effect. Let's close this format background pane. I'm selecting the inner two circles and grouping it and keeping it on the side for further use. Let's select this arrow and draw it here. Select no outline, and let's rotate it horizontal. Let's make another circle here, and this circle will be only for temporary basis, just to check the margins around so we can place our labels. I'm just reducing the transparency here, and I'll choose slightly lighter color here, and this looks okay. I will use this circle to get a proper shape here which we need for this design. Yeah. Let's fill solid color here, and I'll select this color. Going to format, and I will make it union as one shape here. I'll make it slightly transparent to this. and it's the time to use this round circle. We have it here. Let's increase the size here. Great. Selecting both and making another copy here. And let's make another one. Great. So Control G here, Control G for grouping. Let's select all and make a duplicate here for the other side. And let's go to format and flip horizontal. Let's place it as we have placed on the left side. I'm just drawing this line to see whether we have these shapes on a equal height. We'll do the same with all of these shapes. The right side requires a little bit adjustment here. Yep. Let's remove, we don't need these shapes, lines I mean, and also we'll remove this, the circle outside. Making some space for the heading here. And now we will make a line here, and we will use the same circle here which we have used already here. Make it small size and link it with this line, and change the color to the same color we have used. And let's place it here. And make another copy, and we will place it with all of these. Let's select all, and we will send it to back. And this circle, which we have it here, we'll also send it back. Now it's time that we need to add the information on that. I will speed this process a little bit. Great, we have filled all of these colors. Now it's time that we will do the animation here. For the heading, I'll use split animation, and select with previous and duration as 1. Let's open the animation pane to see the effects of animation and status. Fly in and let's select this and should start with previous and make the duration as 1 and go to further setting and select this smooth and press OK. Right, so we will select this, the round circle which is in the middle. I'm going to select the zoom and let's select with previous and make it as 1. I want this to appear as a second animation with text heading. Let's select this, the right side, fly in. I want to appear from the right side and to start with previous and duration as 1. Let's go to further setting and effects and smooth and make it to the extreme right and see how it looks like. That's great. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing my channel and give me your feedback.